take your white paper. We're keeping it vertical, top to bottom. Supply manager, there's 2 sets of crowns. Please make sure you know which one we are using. The colored crown that matches your table is first out of this little basket. This will be for us to write our name. So everybody is going to get one. You're going to write your name and your teacher's code under your name. Please make sure you return those to the correct basket. You'll get the second one, which is our black crowns. Everybody needs to make sure they flip their paper over. And we are going to be drawing a cat. So get your black crown. Now, to help guide us at drawing this, take the bottom, fold your paper, and crease. So this is just giving us the middle of our paper so we know where the cactus pot should be at versus the cactus. So the cactus pot we want to keep under the fold, and then we're going to be drawing the cactus up the rest. So we got, again, like the picture showed us, we got to make sure that we use the whole paper top to bottom to draw our cactus. At the bottom, the cactus pot is 2 shapes. The first shape is going to be a square. So I'm not at the fold, I'm down at the bottom. And I'm going to draw a square. This is the bottom of your cactus pot. Now notice I've got a pretty big room above the pot and the crease because I'm adding another part to the pot. The second shape is a rectangle. So the top line of this square, I'm making it a little bit longer. So now it's kind of one shape. There is our terracotta pot. Now, we have all this room above the pot to fill in with our cactus. Our cactus does have a flower at the top. So when we draw our big U, upside down U, we don't want to go completely to the top because we want to make sure we have space at the top for our flower. Because I'm going to hold my finger there. That's as far up as I want to go because I have some space up there for my flower. So starting on, not the complete edge, but a little bit in, I'm going to draw a big upside down U. Again, I've left space. I've put my finger up there just to make sure I don't go all the way to the top. Okay. Now, inside the cactus, we're going to draw 3 lines. So this is the top of my cactus. I'm in the middle. I'm drawing a curved line, kind of like when we do a pumpkin, to the right. And then I'm going to do a curved line to the left. And then I'm going to do one down the middle. The left and the right do need to be curved because it gives us the effect that it's a round shape, which cactuses, some cactuses are round. At the top, we're going to draw the flower. So it's the same big U, one in the middle. Then I'm going to do 2 coming off this side, kind of like a butterfly wings, and 2 off this side. Last detail, the pokies. Okay. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I did 14 around the edge. I actually did too many on this side. I have to add a few in here. So you just have to look at your cactus and make sure that it's not completely covered in lines because you don't want it to cover up the whole cactus, but enough to give the effect that it is a cactus. Once you've done that, please make sure all the black crowns get in the correct basket. Please make sure those get back to the correct place in the tub on the carts. Get your folder if you're the folder holder. Everybody return your cactus to the folder holder. Close it up. Miss Lawson's going to be collecting these folders. Okay, 3rd grade, we're going to be painting our cactus today. So, folder holder, open the folder. Today, our papers have names on them. Make sure you return this to the correct person. Take the paper, flip it over, make sure your pot is at the bottom. Supply manager will be coming and getting our tray. So be careful. If you see that there is a top on the paint, that means we are not using it. Please do not open anything that is closed. That is from another class. Now, we have pink, green, a dark orange, and a light blue. So we are gonna start with our light blue because this is gonna be the area around our cactus. Now, as we paint it, you will be painting over the prickles that are sticking out. Don't worry, because we will trace them back over after this dries. So you will carefully go around the flower, around the cactus, and you can still see them. We're just gonna fill in this area, spreading out all the way down. Once we have completed, we're gonna move to pink. Pink will be the next color. Please, as you are painting your flower pink at the top, make sure that you turn your brush. Make sure you use your hand to hold the paper down, not on the blue paint, but hold the paper down on the area that is not wet with paint. This will help keep your hands clean and the paper from not moving. And we're gonna be moving to green. Green is what we are painting the cactus in. Again, do not worry about all those lines that we are painting over. You will still see them, so we can go back over them when our art is completely dry. But fill in your entire cactus shape with your green paint, making sure you don't miss any areas. Last color we're going to move to is the dark orange. This is for the pot, so make sure that you are dipping in the correct color and painting in both the square and the rectangle within your clay pot. As it goes to the drying rack.